G'day guys, Steve with Broken Sprocket. This is just a quick update video for the RM125. Let's get started. Okay, the RM125 is getting to the point where it's just about ready to start the engine and hopefully it works. And it's almost complete and almost ready for the final show of the bike and all the work that's been done to it. So I'll just go over a couple of the new things that I've recently done. Okay, I'll start with the exhaust system because it's recently been finished. Now this is the standard system that was actually on the bike. If anyone remembers it, it had a lot of rust and stuff like that in it. It had quite a few dings in it along here and one major dent here. Now you can still see very minor imperfections, but I just heated it up and I got it out, but it's come out actually quite good considering where it was at, and I'm actually quite happy with the way that the exhaust looks for it. One problem I have is these original springs that were holding it on seem to be stretched and they're too long now, so they don't fit, so I need to find some new springs just to attach the exhaust here. But other than that, the exhaust pipe is finished. And just quickly on the tailpipe, I gave it a good clean up and repacked it and just give it a quick coat of paint where the black pieces here are, and it looks quite good too, and I'm pretty happy with the way that it's turned out as well. From my previous update video, I'm still having problems with this front brake. I can't get it to work, but I'm going to deal with that later. Also, I attached the accelerator to the carburetor and I just twisted it once and I just heard a pop on the carburetor. So I'm assuming that the carburetor has pulled the piston up, the piston has just gone pop straight back down to the carburetor and the cable has come off of it. So I'm going to have to pull that apart again and check to see what happened here, because the accelerator isn't working anymore and I just heard the piston slap straight back down to the bottom. So I have to pull the carburetor apart again and check that out. The new sprocket is on the bike. I just need to give the swing arm another clean up. It's easy now that all the hard work's done. I just need to give it another good polish and put the chain slide on there and put the new chain on it, and that should be done for the back. The back brakes are done. I do have back brakes. They're not the best back brakes, so I'm going to have another look at that and sort that out. And I just need to put this little piece here that holds this together on there, and the back brake should be finished. I just need to put some gearbox oil in the gearbox, but I need to put this new O-ring on the clutch cover because the one that's on it is leaking and the oil just drips out. So before I put oil in the gearbox, I just need to replace this here O-ring on that clutch cover. And before I start the bike, I need to put new coolant in the radiators because it's got no coolant in it so far. I need to attach the clutch so that I have a clutch again. Obviously you can see the plastics are the original type of plastics. I've got this strike seat cover is new, and the graphics are new. They're a standard type of graphic, which this bike would have came with something very similar to this when it was brand new. And that's all the graphics that are going on this bike. I want it to sort of stay plainish, but I think there's just enough to make it pop and look nice without overdoing it. So that's it for this video, guys. I'm going to do another video where I start the engine for the first time and we'll see if it actually starts. If it starts, I'll be so happy. If it blows up, I'm obviously going to be quite upset about that. So stay tuned for that video. It will be coming up soon. I just need to get the things done that I've gone through on this video, and I'll make that startup video for the very first time on this bike, and we'll see if it will actually start. Watch this video next, or go to the Broken Sprocket video library and choose another top video. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. After all, it's for free and guaranteed to make your day 20% better. If you're already a subscriber and you're having a bad day, just think it could have been 20% worse. You can also follow Broken Sprocket on Instagram. So I'll see you in the next video.